What's up guys? Today we got a pretty neat video that I want to cover with you. It'll be pretty quick and I think you'll find it pretty informative. Seems like the new craze lately is all these super short ratchets or the super short flex head ratchets. A lot of people have seen the snap-on versions and they really liked them, but a lot of times that's out of a regular guy's price range. So today I want to show you a pretty cool product by Titan that I think will fit the bill perfectly. You guys, check this out. Alright guys, like I mentioned in the intro, it seems like all the new craze and the hype or the new trend in the tool industry is a super short stubby ratchet. As we've all seen the snap-on's little 3/8 with the flex head and the 3/8 fixed head, as well as the 1/4 inch version of both of those ratchets. Well, a lot of times an average guy can't spend $100+ on a little bitty ratchet, especially a ratchet that's not going to take much torque just because of the length of the handle. Quite frankly, it's kind of like buying tool truck brand nut drivers. In my opinion, it's a waste of money. Who really breaks a nut driver? But anyway, back to the product. What I want to show you guys today is the Titan 1/4 inch swivel head ratchet. And this will fit the bill where those high dollar snap-ons that we've all drooled over on the trucks. I think this one will fit a normal guy's budget much better. So let's take a look at this thing. First off, it is made by Titan Tools and the part number is a 11313. It is a 90 tooth ratchet and it does come with a lifetime warranty. And this ratchet is a whole $19.81 off of Amazon. You can look online and they've got them at other retailers and the prices are kind of all over the place. But let me open this out of the package and I'll show you guys some of the features of this ratchet and I'll show you how I think it would be useful for us normal people. Alright, there's the packaging. Like I said, and the part number is a 11313. It's a 1/4 inch drive, lifetime warranty, made by Titan. And here is the tool. And just as a comparison, I have a deep well snap-on socket. And I'll put this up beside it, and that way you guys can kind of see the height of it. The ratchet overall is 4 inches long, and it weighs 1.58 ounces. Yeah. Super light, and it's made out of chrome vanadium steel, so it should hold up extremely well. Like I say, it is a 90 tooth. Switch directions for you. You can hear it's an extremely fine tooth ratchet. Now this ratchet was sent to me by a subscriber and he just wanted my thoughts on it. And I played with it in the packaging and I thought, hey, this is something that I need to share with you guys to let you know, because not everybody can spend $100 or more on the little snap-on ratchet. And this ratchet could come in extremely handy. Of course, it being 4 inches long, I don't think you'll ever have to worry about stripping the guts out of it. But if you do, it does have a lifetime warranty. Like I say, it is a swivel head ratchet, as you can see. And forward and reverse is just like any other swivel head ratchet on the market. But it's a pretty cool ratchet. I thought a lot of times, you know, this would come in super handy on changing coil packs, getting like on the 5.4 Tritons, you know, when you're doing the valve covers, getting on that back valve cover bolt. A really short ratchet would really come in handy on those kind of jobs. Pretty much anything with the newer model vehicles where you use a 1/4 inch drive ratchet, I think this would fit the bill extremely well. And for less than 20 bucks, you really can't go wrong with that. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Super quick video, but I know a lot of people have been asking for me to do a little lower price tools because not everybody can afford Snap-on, Matco, or Mac. And this is one of these tools for less than 20 bucks. I just don't see how you could, you know, go wrong with having this in your toolbox. I think it's going to come in extremely handy, especially like under dashes. I've got a job outside that I'm waiting to do as soon as the part gets here, and it's on a Chevy Traverse, and one of the blend doors is going to have to be replaced in it, and it happens to be the one that's on top. You can get to it through the glove box. It's an extremely tight space, and this ratchet will probably be the ratchet that I will use in that super tight area. I think this is going to do really well, especially with that swivel head allowing me to turn it the way I need to. So we'll definitely be trying that out. But anyway, guys, the link to this ratchet on Amazon is below if you want to check it out. Take a look at it. For less than 20 bucks, I don't think you'll go wrong. Hopefully you guys will like this video. If you do, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great day. See ya.